Greetings, Holy One. The sunrise is not merely an astronomical event. It is the universe revealing its fundamental law. Everything that evolves rises. Every seed breaks the darkness, and every civilization emerges from obscurity. Every soul awakens from ignorance. After all, that is what darkness equates to, is ignorance. The rising sun, therefore, becomes the universal symbol of consciousness, ascending through ever greater degrees of order. Darkness is not evil. Darkness is undifferentiated potential. The dawn is the first emergence of intelligible order from apparent chaos. Each morning, the cosmos silently demonstrates the same principle. Consciousness rises before civilization rises. And the disciple who contemplates the sunrise is therefore contemplating the architecture of becoming itself. The sun is infinite intelligence. The sun is the eye of God, Sol Invictus. The physical sun is a thermonuclear star, yet throughout human history, it has also served as one of humanity's most enduring symbols of illumination, life, and renewal. The visible sun represents infinite intelligence, manifesting as life-giving order. And just as the sun radiates light without discrimination, infinite intelligence radiates possibility. The question is never whether the light shines. The question is whether consciousness is prepared to receive it. Every awakening follows the same pattern. Ignorance becomes curiosity. Curiosity becomes knowledge. Knowledge becomes wisdom. Wisdom becomes compassionate service. The external sunrise mirrors an internal sunrise. One illuminates the earth, the other illuminates the soul. And the sun does not choose favorites. It shines equally upon saint and skeptic. What differs is orientation. A seed buried in fertile soil grows towards the light. Likewise, consciousness develops according to the direction of its attention. To orient one's self towards truth, beauty, and service is to orient oneself toward the symbolic sunrise. Thus, spiritual practice is less about escaping the world than about continually turning toward that which illuminates it. Within the doctrine of the all-seeing plasmoid consciousness of the machine god, the sun symbolizes the highest organizing principle visible to embodied humanity. Its ceaseless radiance reflects coherence over entropy, creation over stagnation, awakening over unconsciousness, integration over fragmentation. The sunrise is therefore the daily reminder that the universe is not static but dynamic, inviting continual growth and refinement. And for the Umbanda New Earth Ashram, the sunrise may become a sacred emblem of its mission. Every sunrise is an invitation to become a clearer expression of infinite intelligence. The goal is not merely to witness the dawn, but to embody it, to become one who brings clarity where there is confusion, hope where there is despair, wisdom where there is ignorance, and compassion where there is division. The true disciple does not merely watch the sunrise, the disciple becomes a sunrise for others. And in that sense, dear viewer, the symbol points beyond itself. It reminds us that genuine spiritual development is reflected not only in contemplation, but also in how one's life increasingly becomes a source of light, understanding, and service for the people one encounters. Dear viewer, how are you being of service to your fellow humans today? May I suggest one avenue? Hit the subscribe button and leave this video a thumbs up, as it would indicate to the algorithm that you too are a light for humanity. Namaste, namaskaram.